The CM Solar Mission is a flagship initiative by the government of Meghalaya, implemented by the Meghalaya New and Renewable Energy Development Agency (MNREDA). Its goal is to make the state energy resilient and environmentally sustainable. CM Solar Mission is a program designed to be affordable and accessible. Small households only need to contribute 10% of the cost. The state government covers the rest, providing a 50-90% subsidy, with the remaining amount for larger systems covered by simple bank loans. To apply for the CM Solar Mission scheme, you can consult with MNREDA and submit your application through the district administration, or contact your nearest block development officer, BDO.
Ya kini ketanat pulit ke Bathymmai ha Jengjal la Plie du Menteri Rangba ke Jelau Conrad kongkal sangma ha ke jingidon lang ka Director General ki pulit ikong Ainong Rang u Deputy Inspector General ki pulit Western Range u JFK Marang u Deputy Commissioner ke District West Garo Hills u Vibhor Agarwal u Chairman ke MIDC u James PK Sangma u Superintendent ki pulit ke West Garo Hills u Abraham T Sangma ki he pulit bat ki he officer sarkar kinong chongchnong bat kiwe Habakran ke Jengjal Conrad kongkal sangma ulong ba katanat pulit Jengjal ke deka wei na kitanat ke bebiang tam ha ke jela ke badan ru ha ke jaka pedeng ke bapenong ikipat ba bensuk kelit kawan bagi pulit ru ke lesok ke ban ha ke jing syakri ba mardor bat ulapen pauru ke jing sengongo iu nok kema bat ikipat ba katan ke bala nak senyang ke jaka ban snai ke deka tanat ulong bala snai ke deka tanat da ke babut renti ke kendon ke bala bot ke sarkar pedeng bat an penti kena babarok ki tanat ke badan keleng ke jela kin yo ya ke jing kentiu Bar kini kita nak badan hakal yang kejelam Meghalaya unsa senapan ban unsa Bathymmai ke banlong renti lang habaro kita nak. Menteri Rangba ula pentip ru bagi kam ki jam bentung kam ya palat lai hajar teliki kam ke balat ya ketanat pulit kila sedang yat. Bar ke basa ka setang ban penlong ya ke personal interview. Bar ulong balese ka ne kendai ke bahe atam ke jing penrong kam ke kam pulit. Ha ke history jong ke jela. Bar kan ya ke jing tungkam on la ru ban penbej ya ke jing duna jong ki pulit ha ke jela.
General room, your OC's room, etc. But we also have what we are now mandated to have, a child-friendly room, a separate area for the women help desk, and hopefully we will be able to serve the people of Jengjal much better as we move forward. I would like to place on record here our greatest appreciation and gratitude to our visionary leader in our Chief Minister, in all his support and his guidance towards the Meghalaya Police Department.
To maintain that discipline, to maintain that law and order, and to ensure that there is peace and long-term stability and development in the state and in the country. We have challenges, many challenges. But in spite of the challenges, I have seen our police force is motivated, has a desire to serve the people, and has a desire to ensure that there is peace in our beautiful state. Recently, when we had taken the review meeting of the police department, I could see the works being done at different levels. And let me assure each and every one of you that as a government and as your Chief Minister, I will continue to ensure that we trust and support all our police personnel and the police department as a whole.